What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna turn this boring interior into this, and it's gonna cost us 20 bucks and 1 hour of our time. So let's get into the video guys. So this is the box I got from eBay. It only costs 20 bucks. Comes with a remote, whole bunch of zip ties, cleaning stuff, a little bit of tape, and a remote and the instruction manual. So basically this is what you get in the box. You get a controller, 4 lines of wire with these LED strips. For me, I want the install to look seamless and I don't want the wires to be showing. So I'm gonna try my best to hide them, and hopefully it's gonna help you guys too. So first, if you don't want to open the console, which is so old, there's a risk of you always breaking it. But thankfully there's like a little hole right here on both sides, and you can snake in 2 lines through that. Keep in mind it's not gonna be easy, but just be patient. I already did one, took me like 10 minutes. Just be patient, put your finger in through here, and once you feel it, just push down on the top with your nail and keep pushing it from this side, and it's gonna come out of this hole. Once you do that, it's simple. Just pull it gently. Like I said guys, you don't want to break anything. I don't either, so just be gentle. And there's the first pair, 2 of them on this side, and I'm gonna install 2 of these on this side. There's a whole bunch of wires, so I have to do something to manage all that, but yeah, let's keep moving and see how the install goes. For me, I'm planning to have the controller right here so I can easily access all the buttons on and off and all that other stuff. So I'm gonna place it right here, and this is why I decided to run the wires through the console. And here we are. This is the driver's side. I'm gonna put one of the LEDs right here. The other one I'm gonna put right here. This is gonna make it super bright in here, and we'll figure it out. If I want to do some changes, maybe move it to the back later. But as of right now, we're gonna do here and here, and as you guys can see, it's very easy to tuck the wire in, like right there. So we're gonna go all the way down there, go up, maybe use double-sided tape and install the first one. First, I would definitely wipe all the surfaces down with alcohol so the tape sticks nicely and it doesn't come out. So wipe it down and let's take it on. So there's the first one. Here's the X's. I'm just gonna push that in and pray to God that there's nothing in there that's gonna interfere with any other wirings. But there's that. The first wire is gone, looks super clean. So let's go ahead and do the second one right here. So this is how it's looking right now. So the issue now is I don't want the light to be right there because it's gonna be pretty distracting at night when I'm driving. It's gonna hit your eyes really badly. So either I'm gonna have to send this back all the way down here, or I could just do double here and it's gonna be super bright in here. So let's figure that out real quick, because this is definitely not gonna work out guys, because at night it's gonna hit your eyes and it's gonna get annoying very quick. Second one is also in. Here's the loose wire, so basically just push it in there into the corner, and the rest of it is pretty easy guys. Just tuck the whole thing in, don't worry about that. Just keep tucking guys, and there you go, completely tucked in. No wiring outside. The only thing I'm not too happy with is like this little area, but guys, like I don't wanna force it or do too much with this plastic. This one looks super fragile. So yeah, now we move on to the next side. Same thing on this side. Basically gonna tuck it in, and the controller, I'm gonna have the wires facing the front. That's way it's gonna be easier to manage all that. As you guys can see, that's the power cable. I don't really care if that one's loose because I can always take it out. But use double-sided tape, stick this on, and start tucking the wire so you can go all the way down there. Alright guys, so that took longer than expected. So here's the light, looped it inside and tucked it in. The only issue on this side is I don't know if it's gonna be the same in your car, but this is loose. So when you tuck it in, it's not gonna stay. So there's like a metal bar inside. I can really show it to you. What I did was put a zip tie and tied up the wire at this point, which tightened this up and hid it. And I just pulled the rest and tucked it in the hard part right over here. And now the whole wire is hidden. So that's how it looks. This is the only major wiring you can see. I don't know what this is for. I guess this is just gonna be hanging. This is the power cable. I'm not gonna be using the lights all the time, but when I wanna use it, all I gotta do is just plug it in and I'm good to go. Yeah guys, installation is complete. Wasn't too hard. The only dirty wiring I would say is that one sticking out, but you can always open that. Other than that, here's the controller. Can't see any wiring. There's the lights down there. Same on the driver's side, no wiring at all. Flush, hiding. The lights right there. So yeah guys, pretty easy for 20 bucks. I'm gonna turn off the lights and show you guys how it looks in the dark. It also came with the remote right there. So yeah, let's test out the remote now. Oh my god, that's how it looks right now. That's nice. So now with the installation complete, let's play around with the settings and see what this thing can do. And for 20 bucks, this is a lot. We also get a remote. But first we're gonna play around with the manual buttons and then we're gonna move on to the remote. So this is the power switch. It's powered to the cigarette outlet. This is how you turn it on. That's how it looks. This one has options for it being synced to the music. You can change the colors manually. And you can turn it on from here. This one I'd be careful with. As you guys already know, the Z3 draws power even when the key is turned off. So I would definitely use this one to kill power, because you don't want this to drain your battery. So on, red, green. There's a whole bunch of colors actually, if you want to stay true to the BMW theme. Oh wow, look at that. Nice. This is pretty cool if the car is stationary. If not, it's gonna be super distracting to drive at night. I think I'm gonna go with the purple. Yeah, that looks nice right there. Let's also try the music thing. Oh yeah, that's cool. Here's the remote. You can also kind of play with that. Change the colors. For what it is, it's pretty good. The remote has to be close to the controller. The remote has a whole bunch of other functions you can use. For me, I almost like to just use these. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the video and I will see you guys in the next one.